OPQR, you can see OPQR is a trapezium with OP parallel to RQ. That's why they have arrows. Given that RQ is equal to 2A bar, comma, OR is equal to B bar, RQ is equal to 3 over 2 OP vector, and M is the midpoint of RQ. This M. Find in terms of A bar and B bar, question I, OM vector, this vector, 2I MQ vector, and lastly 3I QP vector. We take solution. From the question, we have been given that RQ vector is equal to 2A bar, comma, O R vector is equal to B bar, RQ vector is equal to 3 over 2 OP vector. Making OP vector the subject of formula, then OP vector will simply be equal to, we are going to divide both sides by 3 over 2, and this will give us 2 on 3 RQ vector. We know RQ vector is simply equal to 2A bar. We are going to replace it with 2A bar. This will be equal to 2 over 3 times 2A bar. And this will simply be equal to 2 times 2 gives us 4 on 3A bar. Our vector OP is simply equal to 4 on 3A bar. And we have been told that M is simply equal to the midpoint of the line segment RQ. This is how we denote it. M being the midpoint of the line segment RQ will imply that RM vector is equal to a half of RQ vector as such. And this will imply that the vector Rm will be equal to a half of our vector RQ is 2A bar, which is equal to A bar. Now we can proceed to answer the questions. Question I, we have to express OM vector in terms of A bar, B bar. OM is the same as OR vector plus RM vector. This will be equal to OR vector plus RM vector, and this will be equal to OR vector is B bar plus RM vector is A bar, and this will simply be equal to A bar plus B bar. We conclude, therefore, OM vector is equal to A bar plus B bar. We underline the result. We move now to 2I. We have to express the vector MQ in terms of A bar, B bar. MQ is simply the same as MO vector plus OP vector plus PQ vector. It should be equal to MO vector plus OP vector plus PQ vector such. And this will simply be equal to MO vector is the same as negative OM vector, since they have opposite directions, plus OP vector, which is the same as 4 on 3 A bar plus PQ vector. We have to express PQ vector. PQ vector is the same as going from P to Q is the same as P to O, O to R, and R to Q. P O vector plus O R vector plus R Q vector. This will be equal to negative OM vector from question 1 gave us A bar plus B bar, negative 1 times A bar plus B bar plus 4 over 3 A bar. Remember, our OP is 4 over 3 A bar plus PO. PO is the same as negative OP. They have the same magnitude but different directions, plus vector OR, which is equal to B bar, plus vector RQ. Vector RQ is the same as 3 over 2 OP vector. This will simply be equal to, expanding this bracket, negative 1 times A bar gives negative A bar, negative 1 times B gives negative B bar, plus 4 on 3 A bar, positive negative stays, minus OP, which is 4 on 3 A bar plus B bar plus 3 over 2 times vector OP. OP vector is 4 on 3 A bar as such. So this will give us negative A bar. You see 4 on 3 A bar will strike off 4 on 3 A bar. Negative B bar will strike off with B bar. We'll be left with negative A bar plus, simplifying this, 3 will strike off 3, 2 way 1, 2 way 2, plus 2 A bar. But simply at this level, we can replace RQ with 2 A bar. Remember, from the question we have been told that RQ is 2 A bar. So this will be equal to negative A bar plus 2 A bar gives us A bar. Therefore, vector MQ is equal to A bar. We underline the answer. We move now to 3i. For 3i, we have to express vector QP terms of A bar, B bar. Your P vector is simply equal to your R vector plus RO vector plus OP vector. It is the same as QM vector plus MO vector plus OP vector. We are going to make use of the first expression, which is we are going to use Q R vector plus R O vector plus OP vector, and this will simply be equal to Q R vector is the same as negative R Q vector plus R O vector is the same as negative O R vector plus OP vector, which is 4 on 3 A bar. This will simply be equal to negative 2A bar minus OR vector is B bar plus 4 on 3 A bar. This will be equal to negative 2A bar, which can be written as negative 2A bar over 1 plus 4 on 3 A bar. We are going to add these two because they are vectors in A bar minus B bar. This will be equal to the LCM of their denominators is 3. 3 divided by 1 gives us 3 times negative 2A bar gives us negative 6A bar plus 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 times 4A gives us 4A bar minus B bar. This will be equal to negative 6A bar plus 4A bar gives us negative 2 on 3A bar minus B bar. We can factor out the negative 1. This will give us negative 1 times 2 on 3A bar plus B bar. We conclude, therefore, our vector QP is equal to negative 2/3 A bar plus B bar. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the exercise on vectors. If in case you have any questions, leave your questions at the comment section. Please do like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.